Hey everybody, Chuck here at DBT Labs, and today I'd like to walk you through a quick demo of a custom Streamlit app that we've built in Snowflake that provides an agentic analytics experience, all powered by DBT's Semantic Layer with remote MCP server. I've just opened up the app and selected a semantic layer that focuses on vehicle sales data. You can see over on the left that we are already connected, so we should be good to go. First, let's start by just asking what metrics we have available. Awesome, so you can see some of the tool calls that it made and some of the reasoning that it went through as it did that, but now we got back several metrics that focus on customers, orders, and products. Next, let's go ahead and see what our top products are. Awesome, so we got some results back here, and it was pretty neat to watch it reason through what I meant by top products. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one last time, but just look at trucks. Awesome, so apparently our customers here like Truck F-150 and Truck Silverado. So some things to notice here. Because we're using an LLM to orchestrate all of our interactions with the DBT MCP server, the interface is going to be flexible in interpreting what we're trying to ask for. But because we've defined how to query the data as part of that DBT semantic layer, we can actually create a much more predictable experience. So that predictable experience is going to include selecting the right dimensions and metrics to query, since the LLM now has access to the rich metadata that we make available to it in DBT. And it's also going to include combining those metrics and dimensions in approved ways that give us queries that are both valid and accurate. In this case, you can think of the DBT semantic layer as acting as guardrails to reduce hallucinations by the underlying LLM and drive up the accuracy. Let's do one last query here to show off the creative reasoning and analytics that the LLM can perform. Awesome. So we actually gave it a pretty ambiguous question here. We just asked for some relevant insights for helping us to identify upsell opportunities. I'm not going to go over the results now, but you do get some pretty interesting results even given some ambiguous questions. So just to kind of recap for us, the nice thing here for Snowflake customers about a setup like this is that we're using native Cortex functions. It's available right within Snowflake, so for anybody already using Snowflake, it should be very easy to access something like this. And of course, we can leverage any of the underlying access or masking policies that we've already set up for those users on Snowflake. And that's all we have for now. Thanks for listening.